Good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Thursday, February 26th, 8:55 a.m. Mountain Time, so almost 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The market have a pretty big sell-off, especially on Nasdaq, 1.4%. S&P is down 1% and Dow is down 0.2. Volume is much higher on both Nasdaq and NYSE. Lots of selling today after this morning's earnings move from Nvidia, Salesforce, and some other stocks like Celsius and Trade Desk. But really, the big thing was Nvidia. Let's just take a look at the stock right now. So it has bounced back. Let me see. This is Russell. Sorry, it hasn't bounced back. Sorry. So this is the intraday chart here. Look at this severe drop. It's down 4.79% this moment. It is really leading a lot of semiconductors down today, and that's where the bulk of the selling is. Look at this. It was trying to come up yesterday before the earnings, and it did come out like 194 here, 193. I think it went as high as 196, and today it just plummeted back down. Um, so most likely it's gonna stay this way today. We'll have to see if it can rebound from this sell-off, the next day or two. Um, that's really where it is. But yeah, big sell-off today on a lot of chip stocks for sure. Let me go to and then the Salesforce also down, right? So those two are kind of giving bad vibes to both semiconductors and software group. Okay, Salesforce actually can come back 3.7%. Okay, that looks interesting. Let's take a look here. It does have weaker future earnings, so let me look at IGV group. So yeah, IGV is also bouncing as well. So actually clear the 10 day. We still have this 21 day here. Let me look at SMH quickly. That's the semiconductor. So that one follow Nvidia. Yeah, let's go back to QQQ now, the index. So yeah, so we came up to the red line 50 day, and then today we kind of went back below the 10 day. Right now it's bouncing back a little bit, but the question is, can it remain, at this level, or whether it will find resistance and come back down? So that is the big question. SPY. Okay, so we have some bounce. So, after this morning's big sell, we have some bounce right now. Again, we're dropping back to the red line. We're going to find support at this level. That's the big question. Dow also bouncing back as well. So this one is actually green now, at least on the ETF. So that looks like a pretty big bounce there. IWM, same thing, also a big bounce right now. So that's actually very healthy so far, because we test the lows today and we now up for the day. So Dow and Russell's could be leading the market back higher today. So we'll see. In terms of, let's see, stocks on the move. Let me go to stocks on the move here. On my list here, let's go to it. DGII. Again, not many tech stock. At least, some may be coming back, but like a lot of them were down this morning. On the retail side, we see Celsius, Coke, Delta Airline, Marriott, Monster Drink. This is reporting today, I think after hours. TKO, those are doing well. On the industrial side, we have FTAI, Keys, Saro, another new defense stock here. On the health side, we see PHC, commodities, nothing show up for commodities and financial. Let's take a look at gold. It's bouncing very slightly. Yeah. And let's go look at one stock. Let's say AU. But this one is pulling back slightly. It's already bouncing back. Looks pretty good. Yeah, overall, the market definitely took a big hit this morning, but it is recovering. So we'll see if that will continue for the day. At least Dow and Russell is doing that, but QQQ here still look pretty weak, right? And SPY slowly bouncing too. So we'll see. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.